Black leather glove, no sequins. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm.
Hello guys, welcome to TEMIBECKY'S. Welcome to my channel. And today we'll be making a clean with me video. So guys, I just have 30 minutes before work to do all this cleaning that you're watching right now. So stay tuned and let's get started, guys. Thank you. So after dusting my couch, I need to spread my new chair cover or couch cover, I don't know. So guys, I got this right from Amazon. I'll be leaving the link below. So guys, and that is it. I don't know how to get the right cover for my chair, but I saw this and I said, okay, let me try it, and here is the result. I like it. It's so cool. This I got through pillow. I also get them from Amazon too. And so we are just trying to make it a Valentine cruise. Guys, here is my little decor. I got my flower from Shein. The cup I got from my open market. The other one I got from another store in Thai village close to my side. I live in Paris. So, and I have I got also a candle, love, which I will put in here. So, and that is it. So I could not finish everything. You can see me, I'm looking at the time so that I won't get carried away. The other flower also from IKEA. And that is it for now. So guys, you can see this is how the decor went. So I got this little decor from my Amazon, I can say. So because the time is gone, I couldn't finish it, and Obi have come home, so I beg him to subscribe to do it. And this is what he did before I come back from work. So before my kids are ready,
somebody.
if I say I don't know, that means you can't.
I don't know. I don't know. Valentine. Hey, happy Valentine.
I don't know.
Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine.
No,
Happy Valentine's.
dance.
That's how we say
Take some pictures.
Angela is not doing Valentine.
So yeah, go there and take a picture.
No, it's just that I want to see you.
Sit down first now. Let me take your picture. Oh yeah, snap.
Swear.
Will you be my son Valentine? I will be
Oh yeah, now you sing, guys. Listen.
Wow.
Thank you.
I
will be your Valentine, talking to you all the time.
I'll
Giving
be
you
scared.
every time. I will be there for you. I will be your Valentine. Thank you. You uncle. You uncle. No music, no Valentine.
No, what you, this one is supposed to
Yes, I'll be your Valentine. I will be your Valentine. Everything, I will always be there. Your Valentine. Thank you.
Yay!
Happy San Valentine, guys. So thank you. See you in the next one.
And subscribe.
Thank you.
Left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to send a family. I got it's either you or me.